Hey guys, it's Alan here, and today I'm going to show you how to use effects and transitions in Final Cut Pro. First, I want to start showing you how to use effects tools. So, open up Final Cut Pro, select the clip in the Final Cut Pro timeline, then click on Effects in the top right corner of the timeline, or press Command 5. And it should open up. In the effects browser, select an effect. You can do any of the following helps to make your selection. Filter list of each effect that appears in it. Type the text in the effects tool browser, and to search for any effects by names. You can also select individual effects categories such as blur or color. The preview effect skims the video into the thumbnail. Preview changing the effects primary control. Hold on to the Option key as you skim the video effect thumbnail. As you skim the video left and right, the video thumbnail shows a still frame picture of effect. Dragging the slider of the effects primary control, for example, the primary control for the radio effects the amount of primary. If you don't see the effect you're looking for, you can use the filter pop-up menu at the top of the effects browser. So here's this. Drag the effect to the timeline you want to apply. Double click to the effect thumbnail to apply it to select the clip. That's another way. You can now adjust the selected clip right here. Let's see, I want to adjust this effect. Okay. And it looks something like this. Let me just go and play it. Okay, now you can see that. Right, see this? That's how effects work. Next I'm going to talk about is using transitions. So do the same thing on the top right corner next to the effect tool. Go to the media toolbar, then hit transition icon. It can be identified shaded box over which X is written. Now choose your favorite transition from the browser and then drag into your timeline. Okay, let's see. I want to use dissolve clip. Okay, I'm just going to play the transition. See that? It is time to place the drag transition between the two video clips. You need to edit them. Simply right click on the timeline and select change duration option. Now it can be selected from Control D options also. You can use the precision editor option to adjust transition duration. Users can also preferences from the transition on Final Cut Pro. So if I add another transition here, let's say I'll do fade from black to color. transitions. And if I add another transition, let's see, I'll try using black hole. Okay, that should, and it should drag carefully. But if you add another transition to the clips and nothing shows up, let's see, for example, if I add another clip right here and see nothing shows up, and you'll just get an error message saying that there's not enough extra extra media beyond clip edge to create transition. You'll just have to click on create transition. Okay, and it's possible to apply transitions with a simple shortcut. All that you need to do is either blade your video clip into the several scenes as per need, or add 2 more different scenes to be joined. Your software is desired because transition can be applied only if you have more than one clip on the timeline. Like, for example, I created new transitions and effects right here. So in order to do this, you will need to go to Motion app. I'll show you the Motion app, what it looks like. And it's like a spinning top right here with rainbows on it. So you'll just have to open up and just go ahead and create your own transition effects, tiles, and more. And then just name the category and save it what you just created. Like I named it 2D and 3D transitions, something like that. So that's all I had to teach you about how to use transition effects. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like and notification bell, and let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.